Welcome to Maths with Ish, brought to you by 1 million teachers. Today we have two problems on the board. Remember, we are still on our topic, logarithm. And we have the first one. The first one says, evaluate log 256 to base 4. And the second one says, evaluate log 216 to base 36. Now, I believe that by now we have gotten all the ideas concerning logarithm. So let's forge ahead for this. Now, solution to this. Now, recall that I said that logarithm tells you about the power of the base to give that number. So it tells you how many times the base times itself to give the number. So just by looking at this, I know that if 4 times itself 4 times, it will give me this. So just looking at this, I know that the logarithm to this answer is 4. That's the answer by looking at that. But recall that in our last video, I showed you a more general way on how to solve problem like this. Because I said that it's not all of them that you can easily look at and then you are able to tell the logarithm. For example, for this, you cannot really say how many times can 36 times itself to give 216. This may not be easy for you to get like that. So it's better whenever you have a situation like this, always use the method I taught in my last video. Okay, so let's use that method now to solve this. Now we know that the answer to this is 4 by looking at the how many times this 4 times itself. So now let's just solve it in the way I showed us in our last video. So I said that the first thing to do is, when you're given this, is to equate it to x. And after equating it to x, I said you move this way. This arrow means you raise it. So this means 4 raised to the power of x. And then we arrive at this way. And that means equals to 256. And this means 4 raised to the power of x. And I can write this 256 as 4 raised to the power of 4. So by comparison now, it therefore means that my x is equal to what? My x is equal to 4. So can you see? So this is just the normal way of solving. Now let's look at this. We also do the same thing for this solution. So I'm going to say let log 216 base 36 is equal to x. And then the next thing, I go this way and this way. So I'm going to raise 36 raised to the power of x and then equal to 216. Now I know that this 36 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 2. I also know that this 216 can be written as 6 raised to the power of 3. So by comparison, I have that 2x is equal to 3. So therefore, x is equal to 3 over 2, which is the same thing as 1.5. So these are the solutions to this problem. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.